So to empty the waste bottle, you've got this metal bracket on the front of the printer. Just push that down and pull it towards you, and then the waste bottle comes to the right of the printer and then just drops down. Once you've emptied the bottle, same in reverse, push it up, slide it across, and then close the gate. But then what you must do is reset the counter for the waste on the printer. And to do that, you go to Menu, down to Maintenance, and if you go up, it's a shortcut, Waste Tank, and then reset the waste tank volume. Goes through telling you actually what to do now, as in what I've just shown you previously to empty the waste. So just press Enter, Next, and say OK, and that's the waste count reset for an empty bottle.